Do you have a car? If you answered yes to that question, you are going to want to watch this video. If you have a car and you think it will ever need an oil change or a part replaced, this video is for you. If you don't like spending money on parts and just want to buy something once and literally never have to buy it again, once again, this video is for you. You're probably thinking that this is too good to be true. But before I get into how you could get free car parts for life, let me say that this video is not sponsored, this video is not a scam, and there's really no fine print to what I'm about to tell you. This video will show you how to get free car parts from wear items like oil changes and brake pads to other items on your car like suspension components, shocks, and really everything on your car. So now let me get into how you could get these free car parts for life. So the company that allows you to get these free car parts is called FCP Euro. They do specialize in European cars, but if you don't have a European car, they still sell oil, and you could still do this with oil for whatever car that you have, assuming that you pick something that matches up to the spec. Anyway, FCP Euro is a company that gives a lifetime replacement warranty on every single part that they sell for cars, minus aerosol cans that can't be refilled. This means that all you have to do is buy a part one time, meaning if you have a car that you're going to keep for 10 years, 20 years, the rest of your life, you literally only have to buy it once. And after that, you send it back to them once it's used up, if it's like oil or brake pads, or once it breaks, and they will replace it, no questions asked. I decided to make this video while doing an oil change on my VR6 Passat because being a German car, it requires oil with a special specification that is more expensive. Go figure. So because of that, I order my oil directly through FCP Euro because they come with a nice oil change kit that comes with the oil you need, a filter, and a new drain plug. For this car, that runs about $60, which is kind of steep for oil, but being a German car, that's pretty competitive with what you would normally pay. Now, most parts on FCP Euro are priced fairly competitively, but they are normally just slightly expensive than if you were to get the cheapest part available. Part of the reason for this is they really only sell name brands on there, so you're not going to get junk parts, and also they literally replace it for life after you buy it once through them. So anyway, I went ahead and changed my oil and put all of my oil back into the original packaging that FCP Euro sent. That meant pouring my oil back into the Liquimoly jugs and putting my oil filter back into the box that I just received. Now, do note that this was my second time getting an oil change kit from FCP Euro, and you need to buy it the first time, which they're going to keep that money. That's the first time that you pay for the part. And then the second time and every time after that, you need to buy it, and then they're going to refund your money once they get the part back. So that's the reason why I refilled the oil containers. I put them back in the packaging that FCP Euro already sent, and I got ready to box it up. Next, I'm going to show you the steps that you need to follow online in order to get a packing slip to send your part back to FCP Euro and get your refund. You'll need to go to FCP Euro's website and click on the lifetime replacement icon. This page explains the warranty. Buy it, use it, return it, and they replace it even with consumables. To get the warranty, you need to buy the original part through FCP Euro. When you're ready to replace it, you need to buy the part again, once again through FCP Euro. Then you need to ship the old part back to FCP Euro, at which point they'll refund your order, meaning you just got a free replacement. Once again, they don't refund aerosol cans, but that's the only exception to this warranty. There's also a frequently asked questions page if you're interested in reading more into this warranty and more into FCP Euro. Anyway, go ahead and scroll up and click on the link to get to the return section. From here, select the warranty return section. From the list of orders, go ahead and find the parts from your first order that you're trying to get refunded. Then go ahead and find the order number from your second or more recent order. You'll need this to prove that you ordered from them a second time. Then go ahead and select the items that you're returning from your first order and choose Lifetime Replacement Warranty as the reason for return. Next to that, go ahead and paste in the new order number. You also need to include your vehicle's VIN number, which I'm assuming is to prove that you've been buying parts for the same car and not swapping parts off of different cars to sort of abuse the warranty. Once you're all set, go ahead and scroll down and hit accept and continue. Next, all you have to do is print out this packing slip and include it in the box that's being returned. Put it in the box and go ahead and seal it up and get it ready to ship. If you're local to FCP Euro, which is in Milford, Connecticut, you can drop the package off and not have to pay for return shipping. If you're not close enough, you will have to ship the part back to them. For an oil change, it cost me about $12 to ship the stuff back and get my $57 refunded. If you live close, it's literally free parts and free oil. If not, it's parts for the cost of return shipping, which is still an absolutely insane deal. It took me about 2 days to receive my refund after sending out my package, but it could take a little bit longer. Once again, this is an absolutely awesome deal, and it basically is free car parts for life, and if you live close, it literally is free car parts for life after you buy them one time. Now, this warranty is really especially helpful if you're going to buy a car and keep it for a long time. If you're buying a car and fixing it up to flip, the warranty is not going to transfer over to the next person. So consider that if you're going to pick FCP Euro, but their customer service and warranty in general absolutely makes them the place that I like to order parts from for my German cars. If you don't have a German car, once again, you still could look into oil that they stock. You're still going to get that warranty on it, and it still could save you a lot of money in the long run. With that said, that's going to wrap up this video. Let me know down below if you've heard of FCP Euro before and what car you're going to be ordering car parts for. Like this video if you liked it, and subscribe for more. I hope you stick around for the next one.